Okay, patuloy lang. Letter B. What constant current would transport the same charge in the same time interval? So, what constant current? Yung um, I, same charge. So, yung charge na natin nakuha, siya yung gagamitin pag-compute ng I. So, baliktaran lang yan. So, for letter B, you have your is equal to Q all over T. Kasi constant lang naman. Same charge, that is 329 coulomb all over 8 seconds. So divided by 8. That would give us 41. 41.1 ampere for the current. Okay? Thank you guys for listening.